Good
Pranita
evening,
ma'am,
madam.
colleagues, respected parents, and my beloved students, welcome to Chrysalis Day 2021. I, Uma Devi, on behalf of 4th class, here to address you all. Even though it is a pandemic situation, my students are able to follow online classes by using new technology.
నేను ఆపే అన్ని కామెడీస్ అప్పేంది
Madam
Papa,
Spurti, please mute yourself. Spurti.
Children
Yeah,
who
yeah. Uma
felt
madam, you
shy,
carry on.
children who felt shy have built confidence in them to present topics without any fear because of online sessions. Now my student
Pranita madam. Yeah,
Ask her to
Alankrita.
unmute herself.
Yeah, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Uma madam, you
Hi,
can unmute
Alankrita.
yourself, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, Alankrita?
Ma'am, I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm good, beta, doing well. You are from which group, beta?
I am from English group, ma'am.
What is your group name,
Geology rocks.
beta?
My group name is Geology rocks.
Okay. What is your question? Can you tell me?
My question is posed by Nikola Tesla.
Can you tell me what are the codes read by Tesla?
Okay, ma'am. What does code means? It means repeat or copy out words from a text or speech written or spoken by another person.
What you have
Few
learned
codes
from
of
Tesla,
Nikola-
beta?
Man codes uses to man codes used to learn good or bad.
What is good or bad? What do you mean by good or bad, beta?
Man behavior.
Okay, which behavior is good, beta?
Man humans. Man
Humans.
human beings behavior, ma'am.
Human behavior is good. What do you mean by human behavior, beta?
Ma'am, the things we do.
Okay, good. You know,
How do you, excuse me, Aisha madam.
yeah.
Alankrita, how do you acquire behavior? From where you learn all this?
Ma'am, sir,
Alankrita, this
social
is Sripaleti, sir.
sir, social skills.
Yeah, where do you learn this behavior from?
Ma'am, sir, from parents or teachers.
Apart from them, anybody else?
Sir, society
I
will
mean-
tell.
Yeah, I was expecting this answer. Very good answer. Keep it up. Very good answer. Yeah. From
Good,
society, from
good.
parents, from classroom, atmosphere. Yeah, very good.
Very
Keep
good,
going, madam. Keep
Alankrita.
going.
Why is it important to have ideas, beta? Do you have any idea, beta?
Ma'am, if we get any problem, we should not give up, ma'am. We should try solution.
What is mean by
get
solution, beta?
success.
What
Ma'am?
is your feeling about solution? If something,
Ma'am, to
see,
solve
in
any
front,
Ma'am,
okay,
ma'am, to solve any problem.
okay. If suddenly lion or tiger comes in front of you, how do you respond to that, beta?
Ma'am, I will climb tree.
You will climb the tree, okay? Because you said that we should not give up. We have to try until we succeed. So if lion comes, you just climb the tree.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
it comes, then what you will do?
Suppose if there is no tree,
Sir,
Alankrita, if
I
there is
will
no tree, you will run. Good. So
Okay,
you
Nana,
have the
thank you.
sense. You have sense. Yeah.
Yeah,
Clap
thank
for
you,
Alankrita, all
Alankrita.
of
Claps
you.
for Alankrita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nana El
Good job.
Hasini. Good. El Hasani.
I am Lukdeep. My shall name is Biology Rocks. My topic is Tesla's quote. Today, I like to explain a few sentences on Tesla's quote. Before, I like to explain a few sentences on Tesla. Tesla is an American inventor. Edison is a scientist. Tesla worked in Edison Company. Edison took credit of Tesla's work. Then Tesla said these sentences. I do not care that they stole my idea. I care that they didn't have one of their own. It means we have to focus on our own work. We should not copy it from others. Thank
Wait,
you.
Nana. Yeah, you said that we should not copy your others' idea. What is that?
Ma'am, we should not, ma'am.
Beta? If see you have beautiful idea, you were doing some experiment, and if your friend copy that idea, how do you feel it?
Ma'am, we feel sad, ma'am, because they didn't have own ideas.
So what is your feeling? Whether to share the idea is good habit or keeping the idea within you is good idea?
Ma'am, it is good.
Which is good.
Good in the sense. I think we should be a little more clear on this point because young minds. Hasini, what I really wanted to share with you is sharing ideas is wonderful. We need to share ideas with everybody, but at the same time, we should have a sense when somebody share idea, we are not supposed to copy and cheat them. Got my point?
Okay, sir.
Did you get my point? What I was supposed to say? Sharing ideas is a very good habit. You have to share with your friends, with your parents. But as a friend, when somebody share with you, we are not supposed to copy them or implement it without their permission, right?
Right, sir.
Yeah. Who made the chart behind you? Whose handwriting is that?
Ma'am,
Can you show me the chart? Can you show me the chart a little more? Yeah. Is it your handwriting, Hasini? Who wrote that?
Sir?
Who made the chart?
Sir,
Who
my
has done
mother.
that chart?
Mother.
Okay, very good handwriting. Appreciations to your mother too. Very good handwriting. Good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
Madam,
you,
go ahead.
Hasini. Thank you, Hasini. Class for Hasini, Nana. Siddharth.
Ma'am,
Nana, what is your topic?
Ma'am, my topic is how to achieve our dreams.
Okay. Do you dream?
Ma'am,
Do you dream? When you sleep, do you get dreams?
ma'am, yes.
Yes. What is your dream, Nana? If you, after getting 10th, after finishing your 10th, what is your dream?
Ma'am, my dream is I want to become an IPS.
I want to become a
IPS.
IPS. Nana, to get do your IPS, what are the things you have to do better?
Ma'am, we have to learn more about, we have to learn all topics about becoming IPS.
Okay. To become IPS, how can you achieve it?
By doing hard working.
Hard work in the sense?
Ma'am,
Hard work. In which way you are going to do hard work, Nana?
ma'am, by reading books, by writing.
Okay. Do you know what is IPS?
Ma'am, Indian Police Service.
What is at back of your what is there on the wall, beta?
Ma'am,
What is
Ma'am,
there on the
chart.
wall?
Ma'am, balloon.
Okay. Balloons and chart. What are they? 3 bubbles? 4 bubbles.
Ma'am, here.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Ma'am, who my friend? Ma'am, this is my friend's site, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what is there on that?
Ma'am, this
Yeah. Can you read out?
I want to become painter
Okay.
and artist. I will do hard work for that.
Okay. Yeah. The same thing I want to I want to ask you, beta. You said you want to become a IPS. If suddenly I ask you to become a doctor, what is your feeling? If suddenly one day you get a dream that you become a doctor, will you be happy?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I like only IPS, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because to protect people from crime.
From crime. Yeah. Can you tell me how can you protect your people, Nana?
Ma'am, by catching thieves.
By?
Catching crime thieves.
Okay. So you don't want to become a doctor.
Ma'am, yes.
Just think, if you become a doctor, how can you, what is your feeling?
Ma'am, shocked, ma'am.
You will be shocked.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. But you should have certain like rules, like you want to become IPS. No good. It's a good dream, but work hard and get your dream success. Okay. Thank you, beta. Claps for the Sidhu Nana. Dhruti?
మ్యూట్ వస్తే నువ్వు ఎర్ర ఇట్లా పడుతుంది అయిపోతుంది.
Here was my topic is how to achieve our dream. So my questions are, do you have a dream for yourself? What is it? How would you like to achieve it? Now I would like to explain
Nana,
about
keep
my
closer,
dream.
beta. Your voice is not clear. Keep closer. Yeah. Now, yeah. Now okay. Now talk.
Now I would like to explain about my dream. My dream is to become an IAS officer. For this, I will achieve it by setting a goal first. I will practice according to the plan that I will be topper in schooling, intermediate and graduation by proper planning. Further, I will crack the IAS exam. I will be a respectable person in the society. I will help the poor people. I will give food to older people. I will solve the problems to farmers. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Why you want to help poor people, Nana?
Ma'am, because they know food, they know clothes, no ma'am.
They?
They know food, they know clothes, no ma'am.
Okay, but why you have that feeling to help poor people, beta?
Ma'am, because they are so human beings, no ma'am. That's why we should give food to all.
Only to you want to help poor people?
Ma'am, no, all members, all the people, all members.
All members in the sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Still, if you get a chance to help, still, what is your feeling? To whom you want to help?
Ma'am, all the people, farmers.
Hmm.
Ma'am, all members.
Yeah. Still.
Ma'am, farmers,
See,
all people.
if I ask you something, when your mother and father grown up, what is your feeling? What is the main responsibility to do?
Ma'am, happy. Happy, ma'am.
You will be happy. Our parents will be happy.
Ma'am,
You want to help. You said you want to help, no? So just think, Nana. You said you want to help the poor people. You want to help the farmers. I want you to think about your parents when they
Ma'am?
grown up. Hmm.
No. Aisha, madam, I think Dhruti, you should be more clear about. I appreciate your idea, like you wanted to help people. I appreciate your idea. But to make it happen, first you need to be more successful. Are you listening to me?
Yes.
Dhruti?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I appreciate your idea. I appreciate your idea of helping people. It's always good to help poor people. But to do that, first you need to be more successful. You need to become something,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So to become something, you need to be very, very hardworking girl.
Yes.
So first, you need to understand how to become successful. Having a dream is very good. Keep going. But first, you have to reach that position. After reaching to that position, then you can do what you are planning to do. I appreciate your dream. Keep going. But before that, be seriously, let us start walking. Okay. Good. Is this what is the lesson actually you had in fourth standard?
It's
What is the topic
ideas,
about?
Tesla. It's a
Tesla ideas. Okay.
Yes, sir. And
I
in
got
that
it.
they have given, if you have any dream, do you have a
So,
dream about
appreciate-
yourself?
Dhruti, I appreciate you. You had clear idea about it. Good.
Okay, sir. Thank
Yeah. Else anything? Can I go with one general question, Dhruti?
Yes, sir.
So, madam made a group of 3 children along with you. Siddhartha, Nihas is working.
Yes, sir.
When you work together as a group, what is the advantage you see? Working together with friends, is it advantageous?
Sir, yes, sir.
Why do you feel it is advantageous?
Sir, happy we will be close.
Okay.
Okay, you'll be
Happy,
close.
close. Okay. Good.
That's all.
See, when
Yes.
you are
Working individually,
working together,
which is easy? Which is easy, working individually or group?
Ma'am, sir, group.
Group. So advantages are sharing ideas. The best advantage is ideas can be shared. Very good, Dhruti. Very good. Madam, please.
yeah, Nana, thank you, Dhruti. Class for Dhruti. Nihas. Nihas. Okay, he is not there. Okay. T. Harshit. Yeah, Nana, good evening. Nana, what is your group name, beta? Harshit. What is your group name? Madam Harshit mummy. Please కొంచెం దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళరా Harshit ki. Yeah, bus enough. Yeah, Harshit, now talk. What is your group name? Harshit.
Harshit, good evening. Harshit. Good evening, Harshit.
Good evening, sir.
Can you hear me? Yeah, very nice to see you, beta. Very nice to see you. Begin with your topic.
Nana, what is your group name? Okay. Nana, if something comes in front of you, how you are going to face it, beta? If something comes in front of you, how you are going to face it?
Something
going to face
danger,
this-
like
Yeah.
something. A dog is after you. What are you going to do?
Harshit, if dog
It's
is
okay,
running,
it's okay.
is coming back, okay? When you are walking, dog is running and coming back to you, back of you. how will be your feeling? How you are going to safeguard yourself? Okay, Nana, I'll catch you again, Nana. కాసేపు తర్వాత మళ్ళీ నేను పిలుస్తాను, Nana. నాగవర్షిణి.
Yes, ma'am.
Arshit will come back to you. He'll come back to you. Don't worry.
నాగవర్షిణి, hi, Nana. How are you? Hi, Nagavarshini.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh, nicely decorated your chat. Then what is your topic, beta, Nagavarshini?
Ma'am, quantifiers.
What is quantifiers, beta?
Quantities of nouns are called quantifiers, ma'am.
What is the difference, Nana? Can you give one example of quantifier, Nana?
Yes. Few, some, many.
Okay, wait, I'll give you one example, Nana. Nana, listen to me.
Okay, ma'am.
No, Aisha madam, let her give one example using quantifiers.
Okay, fine. Nana, give one example, Nana.
Means like quantifier.
Yes, beta.
Then fewer, some, many, few. These are examples for quantifiers.
Okay.
Good.
Can you give a sentence? Can you make a sentence using few?
Few days are left for the exams to begin, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me one more example using few?
Ma'am,
You said few days are left for exams to begin. Yeah. Can you use the same word to make a sentence? Few.
ma'am, few,
Hmm?
few appreciated a Tesla, ma'am.
Okay. What is a few then?
A few is used to say that there is a lot of something, but there is enough, ma'am.
Can you tell me the difference between few and a few?
Few people appreciated a Tesla and a few people appreciated a Tesla, ma'am.
What is the difference, Nana?
Ma'am, few is
Hmm?
little and a few is a little, ma'am.
A little. Okay. Now frame a sentence using a few.
A few, ma'am.
Hmm.
A few people appreciated a Tesla, ma'am.
I want something new sentence using a few. Okay. Nana, do you have any dream, Nana? Do you have any dream?
Ma'am, yes.
What is your dream, Nana?
Ma'am, I become a doctor, ma'am.
You want to become a doctor. Why you want to become a doctor?
Ma'am, why means patients will come, I have to treat them, ma'am.
Why do you want to treat them?
Ma'am, why? Because patients will got fever or cough. That's why I treat them, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know to become a doctor, what you want to go through? Which subject you
Ma'am?
have to read? Do you have any idea about doctor, Nana, how to become a doctor?
Ma'am, we have to,
Hmm?
we have to sign.
You have to?
We have to read, ma'am.
You have to read. Okay, fine. Good. Still,
Okay, ma'am.
what is the main role if you really become a doctor? What is your main important role, Nana?
Then we have to read medicine, ma'am.
You have to give?
Read a medicine, ma'am.
Nana, come back again. నాకు వినిపించట్లేదు.
Ma'am, we have to read medicine, ma'am.
Nana, really నేను అడిగింది ఏంటంటే, if you really become a doctor, what is your main role? Main important thing. What do you feel? What is your main duty?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
give medicine.
You want to give only medicine. Inka?
Ma'am, that's it.
Okay, Nana. Good. Thank you, Nagavarshini. Good.
Thank
Well tried. Thank you, Nana. Claps for Nagavarshini. Nana, now we'll go with Max, Nana. So I want all Max students to be ready. Samatha madam, at the same time, if we need, yeah, I want you to share the screen if we need it. Sir.
Aisha madam,
Yes, sir.
you please continue. I'm there, but I may not be able to speak for 10-15 minutes. Just I'll be
Okay.
attending that. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Please
sir.
go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Nana Srihita.
Yes,
Srihita.
ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
What is your group name, beta?
Ma'am, my group name is Globe.
What group name is?
Globe, ma'am.
Okay. Nana, what is your question, Nana?
Ma'am, my topic is concentric circle.
Nana, increase your volume, Nana. It's not clear. Okay.
Ma'am, my topic is concentric circle.
Okay. What is circle?
Ma'am, circle is a closed shape made up of curved lines.
Made up of?
Curved lines, ma'am.
Can you give me some examples of circle, beta?
Ma'am,
Is ball comes under circle?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want you to give me a few examples for circle.
Ma'am, bottle cap.
Bottle cap. Okay. Bottle.
bangle.
Yeah. Now tell me. Now if you have a bangle in your hand, in one hand you have a bangle, and the other hand if you have a ball. Now tell me, both are same? Are they same?
No, ma'am.
What is the difference between bangle and a ball?
Ma'am, ball will be round.
Okay. And what about bangle?
And bangle will be only one side.
Yeah, very good. I want you to means whether you are clear with that or not. Very good. Well said, Nana. Can you tell me what is radi? Radi. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Radi.
ma'am, radi is plural form of radius.
Ambita?
Ma'am, radi is plural form of radius.
Radius. Nana, can you tell me how you're going to, if I give you one paper, how can you draw a circle, concentric circle?
Ma'am, by using compass.
Okay, if I give you any number, particular number, can you draw and show me?
Yes, ma'am.
If I give you 6, how will you draw better? Just tell me. I don't want you to draw. Just tell me. What are the things you need it?
Ma'am, compass and pencil.
Okay. Can you give some examples?
Ma'am, concentric circle.
Yes.
Ma'am, dartboard, solar system, onion slices, and water vessel.
Ambita?
Ma'am, solar system,
Okay.
slices,
How
Water
solar
vessel.
system? How solar system? Can you tell me? Can you make me understand why you have chosen a solar system, for example?
and solar system, the orbit will be 8 months.
Hmm.
It is called
Okay.
concentric circle.
Yeah. Okay, Nana. Your voice is not reaching to me. Thank you, Nana. You said well. Okay. Good girl.
ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Class for Srihita. Nana, check when you are saying something. No, see that your voice reaches to us. It's not audible, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Anirudh. Anirudh.
Good evening. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
What is the crown you're putting on your head?
Ma'am, Chrysalis logo.
Chrysalis logo. Okay. In Chrysalis logo, what is your question, beta?
Ma'am, circle line in spot.
Okay, you said Chrysalis logo. No, in our Chrysalis, how many icons are there? Do you have any idea about that?
Ma'am, 7.
What are those? What are icons, beta? Have you seen any icon in our textbook, Nana?
Ma'am, look deep.
Okay, very good. Look deep.
Ma'am, pepper activity.
Very good. Which is your favorite icon, beta? We have look deep, look within, look around, pepper, all this. No, which is your favorite one?
Ma'am, look within.
Okay, fine. Now we're coming to your point, Nana. Explain me about circle, Nana. Can you explain me about circle?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. A circle is round shaped figure that has no corner, no edges.
Do you think it has no edges and no corners?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Can you explain me? See the circle. Yeah, you have a circle, no? Do it have edges or you don't have edges?
It have curved shape. Curved
Okay.
shape.
Okay. Can you give me examples of circles?
Ma'am, dosha, chapati, and a rupee.
Dosa, chapati, and
Rupee.
okay, okay, good, good. Okay, Nana. Thank you, beta. Class for Anirudh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yashaswini.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Yashaswini.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Are you okay? Shall you can you say, Nana? How is your leg?
Ma'am,
How is your leg? Is it okay?
ma'am,
Will
I
you
think
say?
you. It is, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now tell me what is your question, beta?
Ma'am, my question is contraction circles by using compass.
Yeah, explain about construction of a circle by using a compass. Nana, can you explain me how will you use compass? Yashaswini. Yeah, beta. Yashaswini.
Ma'am, we have to take compass and
Okay.
one pencil.
Yashaswini, can you hear me, Nana?
Ma'am, yes.
Yeah.
For that we have some tips.
Nana, voice is not reaching to me, Nana.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, we clear.
Nana, Yashaswini.
Ma'am,
Yeah, say louder, bit louder, beta.
ma'am, I'm telling loud only.
Can you say again? Because it was not audible. I was not listening to you. Can you repeat again?
My topic is hands-on. My
Okay.
question is construction circles by using compass.
Okay.
Further, we have to follow some tips. First, take a compass and pencil. When enter the pencil into the holder, the both tips will be equal. Next, third tip. Move the next away from the compass.
Nana, Why do we
For
need a compass, Nana? Can we draw without compass? Can we draw a circle without compass?
Ma'am, we can draw it. It will go.
What happened?
It will go cross, ma'am.
It will go cross. If I use a bangle and if I draw a circle, I can draw a circle with using a bangle, no?
Yes, ma'am, we can draw, but this with this also we can draw one circle.
Yeah, why we have to use is my question. Why we have to use compass? Why can't we use directly a bangle and draw a circle? What is the difference between?
We don't